Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. Today I'm going to show you how to log into Roadrunner email account. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by opening up a web browser. In the web address bar, type in webmail.spectrum.net and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the sign-in area as you can see on the display. Roadrunner is an email service offered by the Time Warner Cable Internet Service Provider. It is also known as Spectrum Webmail and provides a very efficient mode of communication via email. Once you end up in the sign-in page or the login page of Spectrum or Roadrunner, go ahead and type in your email address associated with your Roadrunner account. If you want the system to remember your email address, check this box beneath where it says remember email address, but keep it unchecked if you are using a public device or a shared device for your security. Once you are done entering your email address, head over to the next field where it says email password and type in your password associated with the account. You can double check your password by clicking on this little eye icon. Finally, after you are done typing in your credentials correct, click on I'm not a robot beneath. In case you don't remember your email address, you can click on Forgot Email Address link and follow the on-screen prompts. Similarly, if you happen to forget your password, click on Forgot Email Password link and follow the instructions so that you can reset to a new password. Finally, click the sign in button if you are done typing in your credentials correct, and that way you'll be able to log in or sign into your Roadrunner email account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.